Proverbs 30, the words of Agur. These are the Solomon words of Agur, son of Jakeh. God is not with me, God is not with me. I am helpless, I am more like an animal than man. I don't have the sense that man should have. I have never learned any wisdom. I know nothing at all about God. Who has ever mastered heavenly knowledge? Who has caught the wind in his hand or wrapped the water in the piece of cloth or fixed the boundaries of the earth? Who he is? If you know who he his son, God keeps every promise he makes. He is like a shield for all who seek protection. If you claim that he said something that he never said, he will remind you and show that you are a liar. More proverbs. If I ask the God to let me have two things before I die, keep me lying from and let me neither rich or nor poor. So give me only as much as I need. If I have more food, I might say I do not need you. If I am poor, I might steal and bring disgrace on my God. Never criticize a servant to his master. You will be cursed and suffer for it. There are people who curse their fathers and don't show appreciation for mothers. There are people they are poor, pure. When they are filthy, they can be. There are people who think as so good. Oh, how good they think are. There are people who take cruel advantage of poor and needy. That is the way they make their living. Leech has two daughters. They both are named Give Me. There are four things that are never satisfied: the world of dead, a woman without children, dry ground needs rain, a fire burning out of control. Anyone who makes fun of his father or despises his mother in her old age have to be eaten by vultures, have to be ice picked by wild ravens. And there are four things that are too mysterious for me to understand: an eagle flying in the sky, and snake moving on a rock, and ship finding its way over sea, and man and woman falling in love. This is how the unfaithful wife acts. She commits adultery and has a bath and says, I have not done anything wrong. There are four things that the Lord can itself cannot tolerate, and earth itself cannot tolerate: a slave who becomes king, a fool who has all he wants to eat, a hateful woman who gets married, a servant girl who takes the place of her mistress. There are four animals in the world that are small but very, very clever. Ants. They are weak but store their food up in summer. Rock badgers. They are not strong either, but they make their homes among rocks. Locusts. They have no king, but they move in formation. Lizards. You can hold one in your hand, but you can find them in palaces. There are four things that are impressive to watch as they walk. Lion, strongest of all animals, afraid of none. Goats, striking cocks and kings in front of their people. If you have been foolish enough to be arrogant and plan evil, stop and think. If you churn milk, you'll get butter. If you hit someone's nose, it bleeds. If you stir up anger, you'll get into trouble. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share.